In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best shop vacuums 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best shop vacuums 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, DEWALT STEALTHSONIC 5-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum, DXV05PQT, for peak HP ultra-quiet shop vac with powerful suction, complete accessory kit for garage, workshop, job site and home. 4 peak HP powerful motor delivers strong suction for cleaning dust, debris, wood chips, sawdust, liquid spills, and workshop messes with ease. STEALTHSONIC ultra-quiet operation engineered to reduce operating noise while maintaining high cleaning performance for a more comfortable working environment. 5-gallon capacity tank, compact yet spacious design provides ample capacity for home, garage, workshop, vehicle, and job site cleanup tasks. Complete accessory kit included comes with essential hoses, extension wands, floor nozzles, utility tools, and attachments for versatile wet and dry cleaning. Durable and portable design, rugged construction with smooth rolling caster wheels and an ergonomic carry handle for easy mobility. Wet and dry cleaning performance designed to efficiently clean both liquid spills and dry debris, making it ideal for garages, workshops, construction sites, and DIY projects. The DEWALT STEALTHSONIC DXV05PQT 5-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum combines powerful performance with ultra-quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals. Powered by a 4-peak HP motor. Number 2, Vacmaster Professional Beast Series 16-gallon wet/dry vacuum, 6.5 peak HP shop vac, heavy-duty wet and dry cleaner with powerful suction for garage, workshop, construction and job site. 6.5 peak HP high-performance motor delivers exceptional suction power for demanding wet and dry cleanup tasks in workshops, garages, and construction sites. Large 16-gallon collection tank. High-capacity tank reduces the need for frequent emptying, making it ideal for large cleaning projects. Professional grade. Wet and dry cleaning efficiently handles sawdust, drywall dust, wood chips, nails, leaves, dirt, and liquid spills with ease. Heavy-duty durable construction built with a rugged impact-resistant tank and sturdy frame for long-lasting performance in demanding environments. Complete accessory kit includes hose, extension wands, floor nozzle, utility nozzle, crevice tool, filters, and additional accessories for versatile cleaning applications. Portable job site. Number 3, Vacmaster Professional Beast Series FLT Plus 10-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum, 6.5 peak HP with HEPA media filter, manual filter cleaning system and power tool sync technology. VJN1012PF02016. 6.5 peak HP heavy-duty motor delivers powerful suction for demanding wet and dry cleanup in garages, workshops, construction sites, and home renovations. HEPA media filter system captures fine dust and debris, making it ideal for woodworking, drywall sanding, and general workshop cleanup. Manual filter cleaning system. Convenient filter cleaning mechanism helps maintain strong suction and extends filter performance without removing the filter. Power tool sync technology automatically starts and stops the vacuum when a connected compatible power tool is turned on or off for efficient dust collection. 10-gallon durable tank. Large capacity collection tank handles extensive cleaning tasks while remaining easy to maneuver and transport. Complete professional accessory kit includes hose, extension wands, floor nozzle, utility nozzle, crevice tool, filters, and onboard accessory storage for versatile cleaning applications. The Vacmaster Professional Beast Series FLT Plus 10-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum, VJN1012PF0201, is built for professionals and serious DIY users who demand exceptional cleaning performance. Powered by a 6.5 peak HP motor, it delivers outstanding suction for collecting sawdust, drywall dust, construction debris, wood chips, dirt, and liquid spills. The integrated HEPA media filter. Number 4 RIDGID VAC1200 12-gallon wet/dry vacuum, 5.0 peak HP heavy-duty shop vacuum with detachable leaf blower, pro-grade hose, wet and dry vacuum cleaner for garage, workshop and job site. 5.0 peak HP high-performance motor delivers powerful suction for cleaning dust, dirt, wood chips, construction debris, and liquid spills. 2-in-1 detachable leaf blower converts from a wet/dry vacuum into a powerful handheld blower for clearing leaves, grass clippings, and outdoor debris. 12-gallon large capacity drum spacious tank handles large cleanup jobs with fewer interruptions for emptying. Pro-grade crush resistant hose durable, flexible hose is designed to resist kinks and crushing while maintaining strong airflow. Heavy-duty wet and dry cleaning ideal for garages, workshops, basements, construction sites, vehicles, patios, and home renovation projects. Portable and rugged design equipped with smooth rolling caster wheels, a sturdy carry handle, and onboard accessory storage for easy transportation and organization. The RIDGID VAC1200 12-gallon wet/dry vacuum is a professional-grade cleaning solution designed to tackle demanding cleanup tasks at home, in the workshop, or on the job site. Powered by a 5.0 peak HP motor, it delivers powerful suction for collecting sawdust, drywall dust, dirt, debris, wood chips, and liquid spills with ease. Its 12-gallon collection drum provides generous capacity, making it ideal for extended cleaning sessions and large projects. A standout feature of the RIDGID VAC1200 is its detachable blower. Number 5 CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE17595 16-gallon wet/dry shop vacuum, 6.5 peak HP heavy-duty wet and dry vac with filter, dust bag, hose and accessories for garage, workshop, home renovation and job site. 6.5 peak HP powerful motor delivers high-performance suction for cleaning sawdust, drywall dust, dirt, construction debris, wood chips, and liquid spills. Large 16-gallon capacity heavy-duty tank provides ample space for extended cleanup with fewer trips to empty the vac.